Hey everyone, today is an exciting day because as the heading says, I just purchased a film camera. The last time I used a film camera was like, I don't know, 20 years ago or something, and back then I wasn't really into photography like in a way that I am now. So it was more just, load the film, press the button and go. So I've decided to buy a film camera just to see what they're like, because I can't really remember, the art of photography with it. And I decided to buy do you want to guess? How about guess what camera I bought? Stop the video and then write in the comment section what do you think I bought, and then I'll reveal in a minute when we open the box what it is. But yeah, it's obviously secondhand and hopefully it'll all work fine. It's come with a lens as well. And yeah, let's have a look what it is. Reveal. It's an empty box. Just joking. Let's hope it's in there. Well, sealed. I'll have to cut this seal as well. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I've been shooting the Fuji X-T4 and trying various film recipes. Oh my gosh, it's very wrapped up. I thought it'd be bigger. Oh, it's so little. Oh, it is smaller than the X-T4. This is so exciting. Oh my god. Ready for the reveal? Let me get the branding right. Ta-da-da-da! Did you guess right? There we are. Oh, it's so cute. I'll give you some close-ups maybe in a minute. Let me show you, I've got the Fuji here so you can see it's sort of like similar in size. So I went for the Canon AE1 program just because that's what was available, but I did actually want a Canon and it just happened to be available, so that was perfect. And it's come with a 50mm 1.8 FD lens. Let's see. Nice. And I've got no idea what I'm doing. I know we have to load film. I did buy film. What film do you think I got? Do you want to guess that in the comments too, and then I'll show you? What do you think? Fuji, Kodak, something else? Ta-da! There it is. Kodak Gold. I actually wanted to get Portra 400, but I couldn't get a hold of it quick enough and it's quite expensive. So we're going to load this into this and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll show you some pictures from it as well and maybe some behind the scenes of me trying to work the camera. So I'll see you soon. Bye!